Yes, it may look simple, but it's extremely exhausting and just as effective. As you might know, the plank is one of the best bodyweight exercises out there to train the whole body. In particular, it strengthens your core. This exercise is excellent to bring out your six-pack. Another fun fact, doing planks can slow down time. But did you know that you can increase the effectiveness of planks even more with a few simple variations? Hello dear viewers and welcome to today's video. The classic planks are an isometric exercise. This means that you hold a certain position without moving. Your muscles need to hold tension without changing their length. The downside, due to the lack of dynamics in the execution of the exercise, blood flow to the muscles is slowed down. This means that metabolic products can be removed poorly. Over-acidification of the muscles is the result. Another drawback, holding a position tempts us to hold our breath. When we're moving, we often find it easier to let our breathing flow. If you don't take in enough oxygen, the muscles and other organs will suffer from a lack of oxygen. In the worst case, your circulation will fail. In addition, isometric exercises train your muscles in a very isolated manner. You promote strength gain, but not the interaction of individual muscle chains. Therefore, it is not recommended to focus purely on isometric training. A short insertion. If you like the video, feel free to leave us a like. Thank you very much. With the following simple variations, you can bring dynamics into your plank. Take your plank to the next level by combining the benefits of isometric training with the benefits of dynamic training. So let's go and let's not waste any more of your time. Number 1. Alternating plank jacks. In this exercise, you get into a normal planking position first. Now you perform a different movement with your arms and legs. With your arms, you change each time from a stretched arm to an elbow plank. At the same time, you jump with your legs out and together again. This exercise not only builds an extremely strong core, but also improves your coordination and shoulder-arm muscles. Number 2. Rainbow plank. In this variation, you first go into an elbow plank. Now try to touch the floor with your hips alternately. A normal plank neglects the lateral abs somehow. Not this exercise. With this exercise, you will strengthen all parts of your abdominal muscles. Number 3. Plank with leg raise. Get into the normal plank position. Now alternate stretching one leg up at a time and hold the position for a short amount of time. This variation will give your glutes and leg extensors an extra workout. It also strengthens your lateral abdominal muscles. Number 4. Mountain climbers. Get into the normal plank position. Now jump with one knee towards your chest at a time. Perform a quick alternation. This exercise gets your circulation going and strengthens your serratus anterior muscle as well as your abs. Do these exercises and take your planks to the next level. Which one of these exercises did you find best? Let us know in the comments and see you next time.